this tutorial, I will guide you how to find the Rambo stream key. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking this video. Now you can go to rambo.com and make sure to log in into your channel or account. Once you log in into your Rambo account, just select here at the top, you can see this upload or stream live. So select on it and then select go live. Now once you select go live, you'll see an option here on the creator dashboard. You'll see on the static stream keys. So click on the static stream key. And then you'll see here is a stream key. There is a regular key and a create low latency key. So you can choose either regular key or low latency key. So you can copy this stream key, and there is also a server URL. So if you want to stream maybe from the OBS software, you can open the OBS software and then select here start streaming. Then select open settings. And then you can choose here on the stream. Then select the service, select custom. And then on the server here, you'll have to provide the link of the server, which is this one, server URL. You can copy it just like so. And then you can paste it just like this. And then on the stream key, you can find it here, which is this one. You can copy it, or you can create a regular key. There is a low latency key or regular key. So you can just create any of the two, or you can delete and create a new one. So you can copy it, open the OBS software, and then you can paste it just like so. After pasting, you can apply changes and then you can start your stream. So that's how you can create a stream key through the Rambo software. It's very easy. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.